Hello, my name is Monty Cup, and today I'll be talking to you about my disease. I have Crohn's disease. I got it at a young age, and I will be presenting to you about how I got it and about the effects it has on me as a person, as a human being, and what I am able to do and what I'm not able to do. So, I got my disease at the age of 13, and growing up was very hard for me. I was not born with it. I lived a normal life all the way up until the age of 13. I did sports, I did soccer, I did football for a little bit, baseball for a little bit, skiing in the winter, stuff like that. And I lived a normal, healthy life. I was much lighter as well. Because I got my disease, I gained a lot of weight. And because I got my disease, I went through a lot of pain. So, my disease is Crohn's disease. And what Crohn's disease does is, it is a disease that affects my stomach. It affects my colon for the main part. It can affect your gallbladder, it can affect your large intestines and small intestines. For me, it was just my colon and my small intestines. So I went through trial studies growing up. Around the age of 14, 15, I started Remicade. And Remicade is a type of infusion that goes through your arm. And they did blood infusions on me, and that it didn't work. It helped some people, but not for me. What worked best for me was the surgery. I also tried Humira and a bunch of other antibiotics and steroids and everything else. And the surgery is what I went with in the end because I was in so much pain. I was going to the bathroom 30 times a day, and I was trying to just live a normal life, and I couldn't. I couldn't eat normal food. I still can't eat most normal food. I can eat meat, I can eat carbs, I can eat some sugar, but not most sugar. I can't have alcohol, I can't have peanuts, I can't have a lot of things, and that has impacted my life majorly. But with my disease, what you'll have to do is when you get the surgery, you'll have to get something called a J pouch. And that's if you want to get the reversal, and I did. I didn't want to have an ostomy bag. It's a bag that goes on this side of your stomach and it hides underneath your clothes. You won't be able to swim with it, you won't be able to do anything with it really. But now that I got the reversal, I can do sports again, I can do everything I want, but J pouch essentially looks like this. Kind of this shape right here. And it's just a little J with a little hook. And what it is a man-made organ. They make it from your own fat, and it works essentially like a colon, but your body doesn't attack it. Crohn's disease, with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, your body attacks those specialized organs, all because you're trying to eat food, live a normal life. I could drink water, and right now it won't attack me, but back when I was younger, it would attack me. So the disease is what I kind of recommend for anyone who has Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, because it is the sure way of living or managing your life a little bit better. I still go to the bathroom 8 to 10 times a day, and I still don't live a normal life. I still gained a lot of weight. I was just 180 2 years ago, now I'm 270. So there's a lot of things about it that you'll have to look into. I'm still taking a lot of medicines. I'm taking loperamide, also known as Imodium. I'm taking 27 milligrams a day. Most adults take maybe 3 milligrams a day, maybe 2. And that's if they have issues. But for me, my issues are still so very heavily that I have to do this. And I'm able to manage my life better, though, this way. And my life has gotten better thanks to surgery, and I recommend it for anyone who has Crohn's. I recommend it for anyone who has ulcerative colitis. I recommend it for anyone who is going through what I went through.